Wait, you guys go.
Okay, ready?
5 minutes.
He's watching us. I ruled the land of Persia. I made a policy of tolerance so people could keep their customs and beliefs. Don't you ever say I used cruelty. I was always peaceful. I can't rule a land without tolerance. My empire was immense. I came in like a conqueror. I've never conquered so much land. All I wanted was one empire. All they ever did was respect me. Yeah, they respected